If you need to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link so you can share it with someone, maybe for a job application or networking, I'll show you exactly how to grab the clean URL in just a few steps. Go ahead and open the LinkedIn app on your phone, or you can do this on linkedin.com in a browser. It works almost the same. From the main screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This opens a small menu with your name and a few options. Next, tap on your name at the very top of that menu. That takes you straight to your full profile page where all your details are shown. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen, right next to Add section. Tap those dots to open more options. From the list that appears, choose Share via. Even though it sounds like you're about to share it somewhere, we're just using it to get the link. Now tap Copy, and that's it. Your profile URL is now copied to your clipboard. Here's a quick tip. When you paste the link, maybe in notes or a message, you might see some extra numbers or symbols after your username. Those are just tracking codes. To keep it clean, delete everything after your username so it looks like linkedin.com in your username. That simple link is all you need to share. If this guide helped you out, give this video a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.